When you come to a new city, you really want to explore the city wholeheartedly. And this time, I'm going to take one of the most prettiest lakes in Pune. So it's been 2 months since I have shifted to Pune from Odisha, and I have literally make a list of places where I want to visit till the time I'm living in Pune. As like when you come to a new city, आपको हमेशा रहता है कि वहाँ के खाने, वहाँ का रहना, वहाँ का सुंदर सुंदर जगह, you want to explore those places. And जैसे कि मैंने previous 2 वीडियोस में दिखाया था कि I went to Pavna Lake, then the streets of Europe. तो ऐसे वीकेंड्स में कभी ना कभी लाइक हर वीकेंड्स में कुछ ना कुछ प्लान्स बनता ही रहता है बिकॉज यू रियली वांट कि यार भाई देखते हैं कि मे बी द सेम थिंग यू मस्ट हैव एक्सप्लोर्ड इन योर होम टाउन एंड ऐसा कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं होगा but it's like कि in a new city when you are all alone or you have few friends you want to explore certain places or maybe food just to keep yourself busy cause ऐसे ही वीक डेज में पूरा काम कर करके 12-13 घंटे अपने जॉब को देने के बाद वीकेंड्स आर द ओनली टाइम व्हेन यू वांट टू रेस्ट बट अंदर का आत्मा ये भी बोलता है कि भाई अभी वीकेंड्स में नहीं घूमेंगे तो कब घूमेंगे सो या दैट drill is going to continue for life I guess till you are in corporate or any work you are doing. So this time I went to Jadavwadi Lake. It's a lake where you will get a very good sunset and sunrise point. Like Pavna Lake was similar, but like around Pavna Lake we could find very aesthetic camps, cafes. You can just go and stay there. But this lake was like it is like you can go watch the sunset or the sunrise and can come back. सो अभी क्या होता है ना इंस्टाग्राम में कुछ कुछ वीडियोस आते हैं कि यू कैन गो टू दिस प्लेस यू कैन गो टू दैट प्लेस यू कैन ट्राई दिस यू कैन ट्राई दैट बट जब एक्चुअल में पता चलता है कि एक्चुअल में जब लोग जाते हैं उधर उधर कुछ होता ही नहीं है लाइक ऐसे भी स्कैम्स हो चुके सो वी वर वेरी स्पेक्यूलेटिंग अबाउट दिस प्लेस because we saw some of the videos and also the Google ratings and everything, and you were very skeptical like, will it be okay or fine to go to this place? Because when you're coming in a group or something and it's almost 30-40 kilometers from where you are living, like we live in Marunji Hinjewadi area, so from that area the lake was around 20 to 30 kilometers. So obviously you need to plan everything and then you need to go. And अगर उधर जाके you are seeing कि कुछ नहीं है भाई तुम्हारे पैसे बर्बाद हो गए तो उससे ज़्यादा दुख तो आई डोंट थिंक कुछ होगा बट लकीली दिस प्लेस टर्न आउट टू बी वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लाइक we went around 4:30 to 5. We didn't saw the sunset because we went to another location from there but like जितने टाइम भी हम उधर थे it was quite peaceful like बहुत जोर से हवा चल रही थी and the water was so clean. It's a nice place to visit I guess. It's you can just go and have some peaceful time there. Then we went to one of the mountains nearby that lake. So that the previous lake was Jadavwadi Lake and from there like within 5 to 6 kilometers there was a mountain. I don't remember the name of the mountain, so sorry, but yeah, there was a temple at the top of the mountain which is Bittal temple, and there we watched the sunset after visiting the temple. So the temple was still under construction, like pura bana nahi tha but still puja was going on, and then we watched the sunset. Yeah, this topmost view is so beautiful. Like in Marunji also, I live in Marunji, so the Marunji hill is also very beautiful. The sunset there is superbly amazing, but this was also quite beautiful. So I'll be bringing more such videos on exploring Pune, and you please do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next videos.